this in yet. So we have our orders out, but it might just shoot down without us. It looks like it might actually come up and tap us in, but we'll see. Good morning, stream. Good morning. Yeah, it looks like it might go without us. But yeah, the bigger account could be fun. Could be really good. Yeah. Yeah, yep. Yeah, we talk every once in a while. But he's they're pretty, because he's not like a normal affiliate guy. He's like their number 2 guy in the company. It's just not as easy to get a hold of him. But yeah, I'm still affiliate for them and stuff, and still growing my payouts and whatnot. They're not as good as they once were, but hey Zachary, if this forms a unicorn, I might close it out. Oh, maybe it won't. Never mind. We might not. Yeah, because what it could happen, the market opens in 30 minutes and like you get a wick and it just wicks you in like perfectly. Like when you get close to that market open, but oh. Yeah, but this one's creating a bullish unicorn, so I might just want to be patient until market opens. We'll see if this creates a bullish unicorn or not. We go to the 5 minute. 5 minute. Zoom out. 5 minute does look better. It broke this low. Broke this low. Yeah. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute looks broke this low. I think we're with the higher time frame order flow. 1 hour definitely looks like it's gonna go all the way down to day low. I'm down to actually hold it. Oh yeah, good. Okay, so I'm still down to take it. Hopefully it just come, like if it could just come up, sweep this liquidity of these little highs, tap us in, and then just skyrocket, shoot down. I'm talking 650 points down to the downside when market opens. Honestly, just tap us in barely and then just do what you did yesterday. That would literally be over 400 points for us. That'd be crazy. I don't think I've ever had a 400 point day. I don't think you have. 400 points is insane. No, it didn't. Yeah. If it's gonna tap you in for the change in state, we get tapped in pretty much. I'll be right back. There we go. Now you're on my AirPods. Dude, my biceps are so sore. They like hurt to just go straight. Oh. Yeah, this would be another potential actual bearish unicorn too. Actually, I don't think I'll do it. We'll see. Might. Well, that target hit. See if it gives you. Could give us one. Yeah, your stops would kind of go up to this high here. Oh yeah, you're right. No, don't confirm that yet. Just do this. I almost confirmed it. Stop loss. There. Alright, looks like we're gonna get it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Did it take it away? Oh, it's still I'm gonna do it. Alright, mine's in. Oh wait, but stops actually go up higher. Because there's not an order block yet. I guess actually no stops would go there. Go here. Right there. Alright. And then first TP goes at 5-minute low. Buy limit of 2. Now, if we can get this order block, we'd be able to like take off a lot of risk. Oh wait, my stops are pretty much already at the order block. Never mind. And then TP right there. Okay. Oh no, come on. Dang, might stop us out. Yep, it's gonna stop us out. It's okay, I'm only risking $60. Last minute, come on. In this last minute, push down. Push down. Push down. Give us that 5-minute order block. Nope. I only lost $60 on that trade, so that's not bad. Dude, it might actually come and hit this other unicorn. That original one. The 5-minute actually just looks like it did a liquidity sweep. See that? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that one. I'm gonna be patient now. Since that one didn't work, I'm just gonna wait until it now hits this session or day high low. Might be a long time, but you're almost tapped into this unicorn. I'm interested to see how this one does. No, I don't necessarily. I think you're still going with the thing that makes me nervous of taking that is that 5 minute. You would have just gone tapped in on it. That 5 minute liquidity sweep that looks like. That's what would make me nervous of taking that, because this could be where it reverses. That's the thing I just don't like. Because what would have been good is if it broke below that and then came back up, like to make a higher low, but instead it wicked it hard. Looks like it swept liquidity and is now pushing up, inverting fair value gaps. Yeah, it looks like a reversal almost. It's hard to tell. See the 1 hour. The 1 hour did close strong and inverted fair value gaps. Like, if you did go short, you're going with the higher time frame order flow, but you still just risk, like, what if this is a manipulative move before the market opens and stops you out before it continues, you know? Yeah, I took my one stab at it, and then now let's wait till, and I only lost $62, or no, $75. I take that every day.
Stop food.
Oh, and all yelled at me. My trade of it, I went to the tab of it and it was like, stop filled. Alright, let's mark out. Let's mark it open. Oh wait, no, shouldn't there be green flags? Oh, it's stupid. All right, this is the first time your account's in the green once you got tapped in for that unicorn. I feel like you're right. I feel like I agree. I think we're probably going to that day low. That's what it looks like on the hour. The only issue is like what crazy manipulation is going to happen at 6:30, and then what crazy manipulation is going to happen at the 6:45 red folder news, and that's where you'll get caught. Yeah. That's why I was kind of hoping that we got tapped in beforehand. Hit that first little TP, which it worked, but just never tapped us in. And then you just to break even, and then worst case scenario, you get tapped out and you're done for the day. Could give you a big 5-minute change in state. You get to move your stop losses down on that unicorn a little bit. No, I do not like that idea. Support you. I am supporting you. What number? Yeah, that'd be scary. Some people trade like that. Yeah, it inverted it and it gave you a massive 5-minute candle the opposite direction. That'd be scary if you were in that inversion. Oh yeah, is there a 1 hour low? No, what is the 4 hour doing? The 4 hour looks like it's... The 4 hour looks like it's about to run that day low. 4 hours like, I'm coming for you. But the thing with the 4 hour, it inverted the bearish fair value gap. It inverted the bearish fair value gap. It could just be creating a double bottom here and then going, but yeah. You're talking about the orb? I think if you do the orb one, just take a little bit lower risk, because like if you're able to catch it right and it gives you a massive move, and say you did like 3 MNQ instead of your 10, you still make a lot of money. 5, yeah, like half your risk. Yeah. Yeah. All right, 10 minutes to market open. See what happens here. I have a feeling that there's going to be a liquidity sweep where we would have put our stops and then it's going to go. That's why I'd way rather take this little one that you risk like less than $100, get stopped out, then wait, because this would be scary right now as you see market about to open and it's like in drawdown, and like I'd be like, oh no. I would not want to be in this trade or a trade. Honestly, at this point, it's going to be a while until I can take a trade. If I even get one today. Get another one. Remember yesterday Zachary said I call the levels that it goes to. That level I think it's going to is that day low. Let's see if it does it today. See if I'm right. Oh, what the heck? Look at a tiny little spider. That's why I think it's good that we're not in a trade, because I think the market open's going to manipulate higher, then the red full of news will manipulate higher, then continue. And it will, I think it almost definitely would have stopped us out on this unicorn up here. Yeah. Yeah, usually we do what the opposite of what London does. Yeah. Five. Is the 5. Okay, sounds good. Thanks for calling. All right, yesterday. Oh yeah, yesterday's way up here. It does. You have this high up here. Chopping, then bang. Oh my gosh. Imagine if it does that today. Chopping. Your stops are up here. I think. I honestly, I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything. Yeah, I think so. Let me see. I can't because I'm with you guys. Oh, looks like he's not on. Oh, he's not on yet. He needs like 3 more minutes. I think when I go on my phone and yeah, it messes everything. It doesn't switch me, but like I still stay in the chat with you guys, but it messes everything up. Like, let me try. I'll try. I'll put in my headphones in. Let me see if it messes it. Yeah. Let me see if it works. Can you still hear me? Is my... Oh, did I never share my screen? Oh, it doesn't let you share your screen. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'll watch what he does. Stupid. Who's gonna buy that? If you buy that, oh my gosh. 2023? Oh, that's crazy. Is it like custom? Like, huh? Yeah, see, you're about to get stopped out if you're in that unicorn. You're definitely getting stopped out. Yeah. And then you're gonna get stopped out, and then it's gonna just. Honestly, ideally, you would have been trading in London, and you would have caught like this London unicorn up here at this high, and then you just be holding through London. Yeah. EP. Yeah. You're risking a lot of money. It's a huge stop. How many points is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, Casper's in a cell. He literally just sold. Yeah. But he just started. He's like, I already entered earlier before stream. But if you entered right now, I think you're like right in with his entries. Oh no, you're not. Yeah, he's up now. He's up now. On this. Oh my gosh. No. We would have never gone stopped out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this candle coming in though. His stops are wide though. He's like this. His stops are up here. Oh, you can't see mine. He's on that 5-minute high. That one right there, yeah. Yeah, his stops are way up there. About the 5-minute order block. Just be smart. You're kind of all over the place right now. Just take a breath and like think, like what should you do? That's it. Wait for that change in state. Wait for it. It had a liquidity sweep beforehand. Wait for the change in state to happen, because you will hate it if this literally comes all the way up. Yeah. Good morning, Glenn. Thank you so much. Me too. We took a small loss this morning, less than $100, which I'm fine with. Now I just got to be a little patient. wait for a day high low or a session high low to hit. So I might not be trading for a little while, but we'll watch the market open. Just a crazy sweep down, the crazy move up. Yeah, see, now he's in drawdown. Look at that massive liquidity sweep on the 5. Wait for the opening range. That'd be smart, actually. That'd probably be your best thing. Especially with this 5-minute candle right now. That was pretty crazy. Yeah. That's crazy. That unicorn would have smacked on the TP for the, because you had to put your new TP here and then stopped you at a break even, which is fine. Good morning, Adam. Too bad it couldn't have just kept us in on this trade and then given us that candle. That would have been sick. Oh my gosh, look at this, like, these moves right now. What are you trading today? We're trading MNQ right now. MNQ. Micro NASDAQ. Barely. Yeah, he's in profit. Yeah, he bought like at the 5-minute, almost the top of this 5-minute order block, or that 5-minute move. Or is he on the 15-minute? He's on the 15-minute time frame, I think. Yeah, he's on the 15-minute. He bought like, if you go to the 15-minute, he bought on those 2 candles right now that are like, he's at like the top of that. Right there. Yeah, he's like right up there. It was the inversion. So it inverted on the 15. I don't know what, I don't know. He didn't do it on stream, but I don't know why he bought right there. It honestly might have been this 1 minute earlier, the one where we were watching at Red Folder News. That lines up with right where his entry was. It had a 1 minute change in state right after the Red Folder News, and then he probably bought at that high. To the left more. That, yeah. Just do? Oh, I see what you're saying. You could try. Where's your stops? That's what I would just ask. I don't know. Yeah. I feel like if you were to do that, cut it in half. Only do 5. Then that's $600 you're risking. I'd say do that if you. Oh, but I don't know. It looks bullish. Yeah. Because I think right now you're actually getting the first candle rule that I think you're getting your first entry and it's actually long. You just need this candle to close with it, and you get it. What is it? Flash Mayfair PMI. Yeah, it could. Let's take it away anyway. So. Oh yeah, barely. Did you stop doing crypto? Nope, not stop doing crypto. I can show you my crypto positions. My Solana one actually got stopped out. We moved our stops into less risk. We only lost $20 on it. Solana one got stopped out. Wait, was that a dream? Did I not get stopped out? Oh, wait. Did I have a dream that I got stopped out on this position? I think I have a dream that I did. I guess I didn't get stopped out. I thought for sure I got stopped out on the Solana position. Maybe it was a dream. That felt so real. Was it Ethereum? No. Okay, so both of my positions are still open on crypto, Solana and Ethereum. Ethereum's up now 1,500% and Solana's up 109%. So. That limit sell would have been nice. Should have been profit now. So see, Zachary, what you now, like what I'm seeing on the 1 minute is like, look, 1 minute, if it inverts this fair value gap, shows some change in state, like in the other concept I told you of like just intuition, just saying, all right, let's take this market sell, stops at this little 1 minute high, and you just take the risk of like you're getting that top sell. I would do it like with like, if I were to do this, I would do like, if I'm trading 10, I'm saying I'm going to put only like 3 on this one because I'm taking a very risky, very early trade that could definitely lose very quickly. But you get an insane entry, right? So it'd be like a market sell right now. I would have entered. Stops at the high of that 1 minute. And you just like, okay, let's see if we go to the other end of the orb. And then just trail like 5 minute order blocks. But yeah, when you do it like this, you take very, very low risk trades because you could like this type of trading, you could take, 4 or 5 before that first one wins, and you don't want to take big trades. Stop stressing. There's someone in the chat. Because dude, I swear I had a dream that my stop loss got hit on my Solana position. I don't think it's stupid because on the 1 minute you got an inversion, you have a change in state, and you have like a liquidity sweep, right? So it swept these highs, swept the highs, and immediately gave you a change in state and an inversion. So I don't think it's a bad move. Your other option is putting your stops higher, but like the whole point of this is like you're risking nothing. And if it flips on you, you're out. You only lost like a little bit of money, and you're still in it for the day. That if you get a good trade, you can make up for that loss. Oh, we just lost him. He disconnected. He disconnected. He comes back. All right, guys, I just opened a long. No, I'm just kidding. He didn't do that. But I was just saying, like, imagine he disconnects, comes back. All right, guys, If I were you, Zachary, I'd probably take one off at the other end of the opening range. So I just take one off at that low down there, and then like float 2. Rev Polar News comes out in 2 minutes. That's probably your biggest issue, is you might get stopped out just because that. Your other option is moving your stops to that 5-minute high that I was telling you about. Yeah, you're probably risking like $400 at that point. Do it, like, or I'll let you do it for you. I'll tell you how much you'd risk if you'd moved it. What, you put it like right here. Sell 2. Stop loss. Yeah, that is 3. You're risking 440 if you put it up there. Like right around 440. It's probably, it could be a little more, a little less. I don't know where you're. No, I think I have my. Oh, it might be a little more. Maybe like 500. You're close to 500. You're like just under 500. That will make sure you don't get manipulated out. But hopefully you just get like a insane candle. Okay, it's just coming out. Oh my gosh, it's bullish. It is actually. No, I think you're okay. Look at what price is doing. It's making lower lows. That's why I think it's smart to take a TP at that orb low. I mean, you're about to hit it. Yeah, there you go. Exactly. Dude, I think you're gonna regret that, dude. You literally had, it's about to shoot. Oh, the 1 minute. I see. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Zachary. Oh my gosh. You're about to get such a sick move. Oh my, the 5 minute is ripping. Did the 1 minute stop you out on that unicorn? Oh yeah, you definitely would have got stopped out on that unicorn. Zachary, you know you could just market sell, like do a market, it's much easier. But I know, I'm saying you can do exactly what you're doing, but just doing it with a market. Yeah. So the unicorn right here, the bearish unicorn would have just gotten tapped in. There's a bearish unicorn on the one that would have just gotten tapped in. Yeah. That would be scary though. I know price is kind of crazy right now. Like these crazy little swings. Are you even or low green? That's not bad. Oh, you'd be in profit on that unicorn. The bearish one that formed. And now you're in drawdown. Oh, now you're almost getting stopped out. Now there actually might be a bullish one. What do you mean? Oh, your consistency roll? Uh-huh. Oh yeah, so that your next 8 days, you want to make sure you stay consistent, and then you can request a payout. But they'll only allow the 8 days of you being consistent, not the previous 8 days of that. Does that make sense? You just gotta keep being consistent, and then you can eventually pull it out. Yeah. 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 Essentially, yeah. So if you break a rule, you have, once you hit those 8 day marks, you have the next 8 days. If you stay within the rules, you can take the profits out of whatever you did in those 8 days. But yeah, that's how they kind of, because of red folder news. That's a crazy 5-minute candle. That is a crazy 5-minute candle. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Wick City. I'm not sure. You'd have to talk to them. They're the ones that can tell you. See the 15. Yeah, that guy. Imagine. Just like the day candle closes in 2 points of each other. No, I think today you're gonna get a move, and I think it's gonna be really good. It's just right now it's just got to break out of this consolidation. Once it breaks out, then you're gonna be like, that's sick. But right now it's just consolidating and seeing. Oh, that was kind of aggressive. Yeah. That's what the target would be. I think you'll do really well. Even if you did, say if it breaks bullish, even if you go to Asia high or Asia high and London high, that's still even really good too. I don't think you have them marked out though, right? Yeah, they're, yeah, no. Yeah, those are definitely not. I am patient. I am smart. What's your profit at? No. What's your like profit in your account? What's your equity? So how you know if you're within it, you take your biggest profit day and like I think it's like divide it by your profit in the account, so $3,800, and if that's greater than 20%, you won't get paid out. But it's less than 20%, you're good. So that means your biggest profit day was more than 30% of your $3,800 in profit you made. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you basically have to get more profit in your account then. So what you probably have to do is get to like 6K in the account. Yeah. They don't No. You got to get to a certain profit level that then equals everything out to 20%. Yeah. So once you probably hit 6K in the account or whatever, I bet that whatever that big day was would probably be about 20%. I don't know if it's times or divide. I think you might divide the biggest day by by the biggest profit and then see what that percentage is. Here, let me see. What's your biggest day's profit? $52 divided by, and you have how much in profit in the account? 3,000. $75. Oh yeah, so you take the, here I'll send it, this is what the equation should look like. I'll send it in the group trading chat. So you're at 42%. No, you got to get your profit up. So you need 1652 divided by, nope, you need like $7,000 in profit. You need over 8 actually. If you have $9,000 in profit, your biggest day is 18% of your profit. So you probably need to get to $9,000 in profit. No, that's gonna screw you over. Yeah. Yep. Until you get to 9K. Or yeah, you'll have to be at 9K because then that biggest day is 20% of that profit. It's 18%. So what you could do is stick to making around $1,600, and then that'll all be within 18% of each other. So you can't go over your biggest profit day. So I'd say never have a day bigger than $1,600. Yeah. Yeah. It looks like it's about to rip down. This 5 minute and 1 minute, if it closes like that, I think you're finally getting your move. We're just waiting for that fair value gap. Oh, you should be good. You might get one right here. Hey, Casper's talking about how much he hates school. I agree. School's whack. Let's see. $3 grand. You had the. I told you you would still be in that one position. Oh, you just got a fair value gap. Press the trading tab, the trading button on the bottom. Boom. And then you press market. Nope, that's a stop. Market. Right, left of stop. See, stop limit, market. Boom. And then you press stop loss, click the stop loss. But here, let me show you. Let's go to the trade. And then tick on the stop loss. Nope, stop loss. Yeah, and so now you just copy and paste. You go to where you want to put it, copy and paste the price, and then paste it in there. And then and that's how you set up your stop loss. Wow, that 1 minute, you're back in the range. I need to wait for it to hit either the day low or the Asia London highs. Oh yeah, people are getting cooked right now in this chop. Oh yeah, he's like, oh, you guys like this price action? You guys made money? How? Show me, tell me. He's like tweaking. He hates to see someone do well. He's mad. Yeah, he calls everyone a gambler. Dude, look at this 5 minute candle. No way. Holy crap, dude. All right, you just got a new hour. That thing's probably nasty looking. Oh, no. Looks bearish. Yes, that's probably what you should do. Just wait with me until we hit the sessions or the liquidity. Yeah. Or actually, you wait for that orb, because the orb thing hasn't even played out yet. There hasn't even been a single opportunity for that. That actually might be your best bet. Like, just wait for that orb one. Oh, thank you, babe. Can you give me a fresh one? Nope. Hang on, I'll be right back. Bro, that's the perfect setup. I love the 5-minute candles. See, if you're just you just buy that low, sell the high, right? Sell the high, buy the low. I don't understand how you're not making money right now. Like, if you just buy the low, sell the high, you're fine. No, there hasn't been a single. Nope, there hasn't been a single fair value yet that has popped out of the orb. 938. And also that's before red folder news, so really you should wait until after 9:45 for that model to play out. So it looks like you actually might get maybe one here. Yeah, he's just been going up and down, up and down. He goes up 3 grand, down 1,000. Yeah, he was up 3 grand. Now right now he's down about 400 bucks. No, he's doesn't care. He has his plan. Honestly, on this 15-minute though, he might. I would be surprised if if this 15-minute candle closes like that. I would be surprised if he maybe closes. Yeah, like you get this one. Like this 5-minute or 15-minute, you break structure to the downside, right? It looks extremely bearish. You broke these lows too, and then you get this candle in. What? It's just weird. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, they count your days instead of your trades. So there, now you know. So what I would do if I were you, I would set an auto liquidation for all your accounts for day profit. And if you hit $1,600 in profit, you're done for the day. That's what I would just do if I were you. So then you never have that issue. Oh. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah. That's the hard thing. You don't know until you start requesting, then they tell you. Because they don't tell that in the facts. They don't tell you like, oh, it's the profit based on each day. They don't tell you like if it's until you go to request like, oh yeah, sorry, you broke the rule. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm. Dang, still hasn't broken out of the orb. Oh, you might get your first fair value up. Yeah. He's almost stopped out though. It's getting close. Yeah, he's down almost $2 grand now. Up 3 grand, down 2. But he's very mechanical. I love the way he trades, actually. Yeah, just no emotion. Like, that's how I would like to be. There, you got your opportunity. You're thinking too much. But that's the whole point of a model. You don't need to be logical. The model finally played out. Technically, your stop should go a little lower, right? The first candle that breaks out. Yeah, that one. If you don't like the risk, just lower your contract size. But the model played out. I don't know. I don't know, the 15 minutes insane. 15 minute just closed and gave you a massive candle outside of the orb to the upside. I think you're okay, dude. The 15 minute has a massive change in state. Go to the 5 minute. Go to the 5 minute. Yep. And that high. Yep, that high would be the high. And that's, yeah, sell 7. Yep. That's where his stop losses are. So if you win, he gets stopped out. Well, that's why I'm kind of shocked. Like, he created that strategy and he's not even paying attention to it. I don't know. Sometimes I kind of am confused on the way he trades because I'm like, you have these models you've created, but you never like look at them. Like right now, he only is watching the 15 minute. Yeah. Honestly, I would not be surprised if he could stop down. He immediately goes into a long. He might actually not. He's up a lot for the month. He's up over 60K for the month. Ooh, Zachary might get an order block. Oh, let's go, Zachary. Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, TP's gonna get hit for you, dude. Let's go. You're breaking on the 1 minute highs. Zachary hates my commentary. I'm just like a sports commentator. I'm just reading what I'm watching. You love it when I do it because you're always like, dude, you're actually right when you say your stuff. You're actually right. You literally just said that yesterday. Was there ever a unicorn? There's a bearish unicorn here. That win hit. Okay, that one hit. No unicorn. Bullish unicorn here. And you would have gone. Wait. Yeah, you would have gone tapped in too. Huh. All the unicorns that formed in the orb hit. Huh. Oh, and there's a unicorn once it broke out of the orb. Oh, wait, no, there's not. Oh, yeah, there is. There is. Oh. Hey, Zachary. Zachary, you just got a bullish unicorn in your direction. Bro, I think I'm gonna start watching that. There's a it broke out of the orb, creates a bullish unicorn, taps you in, and then I'm gonna start paying attention to that, see if that happens more often. What'd you say? Hey, Zachary, you got an order block. You can move your stops up too. Oh, this is hot. Minute, you have orb breakout, liquidity sweep, displacement, fair value gap, orb block. You also have breakout of the orb. Oh. Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna go to London High today. It's finally decided we're gonna hit London and Asia High, is my guess, and then we'll see what it does from there. It's finally made up its mind. Nah, dude, why would you do that though? Like, you're already up fat. Like, just be done. If it works. That is true. Well, that's what I'm trying to tell you, Anthony. You can technically make $1,600 today, and you'll be fine. That's your limit now. You can never make more than $1,600. It's all the ratio. You just gotta. Your goal is to get to 9K in profit, and if you stick within $1,600 in profit, you're fine. What? Oh, it's for sale. Do you think they accept sim money? You want them? I have $3.2 million in prop firm accounts. Will you take that? Zachary, should I say it? Request. Okay. You have a windfall for account and you do not qualify for a payout. Close PnL for any trading day cannot exceed date amount. Wondering. Oh wait. 50%. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, just yeah, okay. You just gotta wait until those are yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you have 3 days of yeah. What I would say is just trade that max day and just keep growing it until that's to 20% of your profits. 'Cause right now it's at 50%. And you just do the math on the money in your account. I didn't say that. I didn't say anything. Oh my. Look what you do to me. You're just getting an order block. They do. If you do it and you put your stops there, I'd say put your TP at London high, Asia high. Yeah, he's about to get stopped out. Let's see how much he's down. Oh, he's only gonna lose like 3 grand. I mean, when you're up 60 to like 5K for the month, 3 grand's not a bad loss. Yeah, it's not even like 1%. Actually, it is. It's over that. And he only traded with like 2 in Q. Oh yeah, if it hits a day low, dude, he's making like 10K probably. Yeah. Look at me now. Long shlong diggy dong. Oh my. Hey Zachary. You got stopped out. CP hit, Zachary. CP hit. Oh my gosh. I called it. 700? Nice. Hey, make sure you edit your stop loss. I always forget. Yeah, move your stops to break even, change your stops, and then let it ride. Follow those 5-minute order blocks. We'll just stop driving. How about that? All right, might be able to trade soon. I'll let you know if you get a order block. We're good. You're about to go to London High, dude. You might want to. So your two options are just trail 5-minute order blocks and it blasts through London High, or take full TP at London High, Asia High, and see if you get a unicorn. London and Asia High are like right on top of each other. Asia High is just a tiny bit higher. I am kind of bummed though. I didn't take that unicorn out of the orb. I think that's a good like. It is. It is. But that's what I'm saying. What if I go long? I don't know. Yeah, do whatever you feel. You can't. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I could give you a nice order block. Alright, I closed out that Discord. Now I can share my screen again. You know what'd be sick? I should try to create something where if you're a streamer, you can connect your TradeEvade accounts and then it creates a PnL thing for your streams. That like auto, when you open it, just like auto does all your TradeEvade accounts together. And that'd be kind of sick. You did just get a bearish unicorn, but it's not a liquidity or anything, so. Well, I guess it technically is kind of at a 1 hour high. Oh no, no it's not. It's at a 5 minute high, so. I don't think it will. Well, actually, I don't know where your entry's at. Oh wait, where's your stop loss at? Or right on it? I don't know where your entry. I can't see your stream anyways. 2283. Oh my gosh. Dude, that'd be sick. It came so close. I hope it doesn't. That'd be crazy. Yeah, I think it will. The 1 minute broke a low. I guess it couldn't. It could just be sweeping the liquidity to the left and then pushing back up again, but you might get lucky here. Yeah. I think if you can invert that first 1 minute fair value gap, I think that'll lock in that you won't get stopped out. God, dude. He's on the highway or freeway? Oh. I mean, he could go the speed limit. Dude, last night I almost saw a kid get blasted on a Saran twice. He literally got him so close to getting blasted. He was like, we were on a 2-lane like 35-mile-per-hour road, and he was riding on the opposite side of the road, passing me and then trying to pass the next car. But then the car in front of me, there was a left-hand turn lane. The car started going in the left-hand turn lane. The kid's trying to, like, his Saran's going max speed, trying to get in front of it, almost gets clipped on the rear wheel as that car is going, and it's like really dark, and he's all blacked out on the Saran, so like there's no way that car would have saw him. Almost clips him. He doesn't hit that. He rides off, and now he's like in front of me. Then we get to a light. He goes to the intersection because he's all blacked out. Car turns left as he's in the crosswalk. That car almost blasts him, and then he just keeps going through. I was like, oh my gosh, this kid's gonna die. Like, how did this kid not get smacked? But hey, that's like what, $700 for the day? Nice, dude. That's sick. Nice. You can almost go up a contract soon. Yeah. And tomorrow you'll be up a contract. You're trading 11. I really want to get out of 3. I want to get out of 3 so bad. What? Oh, because of the... That's right. I was like, how? How does that math add up? I forgot you had those other accounts. Dang, back... No way. Back into the orb. Is it not going to go and hit those highs? Nice. Good job. And he's gonna be in that Apex interview. He's like, yeah, dude, I just buy high, sell low, you know? Yeah, dude, like, you don't see it? Looking at my dang, he's kind of right. Oh, I got a ways to go. Because I'm still making up the losses for all those other trading. So, like, some of my accounts are almost back to 50K. I need, like, 800 more bucks. But some are, like, almost at $1,000 in profit. He did. He got stopped out. And then it's literally going to just... It's about to invert a 15-minute fair value gap, too. There was a bearish unicorn at the top here, but oh, it did tap you in. Dang it, why couldn't you have hit London high and then given me that? That'd have been perfect. Jerk. Yeah, but it's 5-minute liquidity. I don't 5-minute liquidity is not as strong as like a higher time frame liquidity, like a Asia session, or those are way more powerful. Yeah, exactly. So like, I think we're still gonna probably go to Asia and London high. It's just probably messing around a little bit, creating a higher low on the 5-minute, and then we'll go back up. Because the 5-minute broke above that wick, it closed above it, and yeah. So what's the 1 hour? What did the 1 hour hit? 1 hour didn't really hit anything. There's no fair value gaps up here. That's pretty good. He's a dog. He went up $10 for the month to now up $153,000 a month. Oh, down 40, yeah. Dang. Oh, dude, that gotta feel crazy. He's trading the NAS 100. Oh, and he still hasn't even hit all his TPs. Yeah. Oh, and he's trading on... So he has a position open up on NAS and a position open up on ES. He's up 58. Yeah. Oh my godfathers. No, those are his TPs, Anthony. Yeah. You missed it though. It already got tapped in and everything. I would have already hit TP, I think. No, that's where he just takes screenshots. I think. I could be wrong. Or actually, Zachary, no, I wouldn't be at... I'd be in a lot of profit, but... Oh, yeah. I think he does do that. Yeah, he like will press the buy button on his phone, but he watches everything on the computer on TradingView. Zachary, you're like halfway to the TP. But your TP is 92 points, 92 and a half points. Which is 2R. Because you're not, it's before liquidity, so, but it'd be 92 and a half points, which is killer. I'm still bummed I closed on, or got stopped out on yesterday's. That would have been sick. Yeah, you have your stop losses at swing high, but then you would be able to move it for this order block. Yeah, and then, well, what if you get 30 green days? You could take out as big as a payout as you want. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, not yet. I mean, that's not true. That move right here is over 100 points that long after the sweep of liquidity. Like, that's a great entry. You literally get a big 1 minute sweep of liquidity, change the state of delivery, you market buy on that one, take the risk, stops to that low. I would have, like, one day I'll be at that level. Yeah, like, I'll get there. I think that's a next year kind of like thing I'll do. Like, get a good year of profit under my belt, and then be like, all right, let's just start going on intuition. Because that 1 minute looks perfect. A big sweep of liquidity to then target ERL. No. I'm talking about 10 a.m. The 10 a.m. candle. Big sweep of liquidity of that low. Massive move up. Change in state of delivery to the highs. Market buy that. Or you could even just put a market buy on the order block. And then boom. Or yeah, a limit buy on the order block. See if you get tapped in, which you would have. And then target the ERL. And that would have made you... That is 136 points. Yeah, and same thing for the top there. Change the state. You even get a unicorn. Take that and then try it out. After hitting a 5 minute high too. Huh. For me, it was so close to Asia and London high. I would way rather see that hit that than take a 5-minute high. Yeah, it's like let's see, it's 20 points away. And after a 137-point move, I'd rather just wait for the extra 20. Because if you go short on that one with that bearish unicorn, it could flip on you at any moment. What? Makes 0 sense. Yeah, it's like you own a Tesla, so you're supporting him. He's anti-Elon though, but he did spend $67,000 on the car to get it though. Yeah, just for the environment. Stupid. Dang it, dude. I thought I was about to get a trade opportunity soon. That sucks. I gotta wait a long time. I gotta be all patient. No, I think I will. I mean, it's not even 8. It's not even 8 yet. Yeah, I think I might go to the gym. I might hop off, go to the gym. And I have my alerts on those highs and lows. So I'll just wait. I'll go to the gym now, so it has time to get there. So hopefully by the time I'm done with the gym, it's close. Yeah. All right, yeah. I think I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go try to run the gym before it gets to one of these. Sweet, sounds good. Okay, it might be hard because I might be in the gym. Okay. Yeah, I'll send like a screenshot into that group trading thing and say like, hey, trade setup might happen. Okay. All right, see you guys. All right, stream, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna wait for it to hit these highs or if it's gonna go all the way down to this day low. I have alerts set up, so I don't get a trade yet until it hits one of those. We did take a small trade pre-market. Over here, we're down $75 for the day. $75, I think. Let me actually check my trader rate. That'll be more accurate. What does my trader rate say? We are down $75.12 per account. So we still got a long day. That's a very, very small loss. So one good trade today, we're good for the day. We'll be back in the green. So I'm just gonna be patient, wait for that to happen. But I'm gonna close out the stream and I'll be back tomorrow morning. I won't stream if I enter another trade, but I'll just be waiting. And if you guys are looking for a trade, I recommend waiting for a session liquidity to be hit or a higher time frame liquidity to be hit, like a day high low beforehand. But yeah,